Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you install and use the Notability on iPads. First of all, open the App Store and search for this word Notability, and it's a very nice guys writing app for the iPad, and it is completely free, and it is also a very popular application. So I'll show you how can you use this application. Usually, but I use do a very less note making. That's why I use a OneNote application. But this application is full of features, so you can use this application. Right now, guys, there is a package which around for 999 for the first year, but you can start free, guys, completely. You don't have to purchase anything. Right now, guys, at the top, you will see the pens over there. Like when you tap on the pen, you will see the colors. You can change the color of your pen, and also you can change the width of your pen. Fine. And so if I type anything, if I write anything, you can see. But to use Notability, guys, you must have a stylus pen, because if you really want to use it, then if you must have a Apple pencil or any alternative pencil. I'll give you the link of the alternative pencil which I am using, and it is quite useful and it is quite sensitive. As you can see, you can write everything in your proper writing. Can you see? And I'm right now using king one pencil, and I'll give the link of this pencil in the description. You can go and check it out from there. And also it is very comes in a budget, so you don't have to worry about it. So now what are the things you can try out in this application? It is, if you tap on these are the basic features. Like, you can use this pencil feature, it gives you a pencil effect. And the third one is the highlighter, and the fourth one is the eraser. You can erase it. So that's the eraser. You can erase partially, just tap on it. You can select the mode of your eraser as well. And the fifth one is the text. You can also even add the text, or you can paste it from anywhere. And there is also a selector. You can select by box or the free form. And there is a image section where you can upload the image and add your any image over here, and you can start teaching if you want to do, or if you want to make a project, you can make it as well. And there is also a microphone. You can use it to record your whiteboard as well. And if you tap on the expand, there is a guys highlighter as well. So if you want to teach, or if you want to explain anything, you can use this highlighter as well. And also there is this thing, this is basically used to scroll up and scroll down. And the last, and this one is a scale. You can also use this scaler, and you can also rotate it at any angle. Can you see? And there is one more thing. What is this? So this is basically a texture you can draw. This is actually a texture, which is, I don't like it at all. And the next thing you can use in this, you can go to its setting. Also, you can keep this anywhere. Fine. So now if you tap on the setting gear icon, you can remove, and you can, guys, take anything you like. If you want a laser is quite useful. You can keep it in the main box or toolbox, which will be seen in the main screen. And I think everything is perfect. And also you can zoom it. You can use the zoom feature. I didn't use it yet. So there is a zoom feature. This is a zoom feature. So basically, if you have a mobile phone, or if you have a small screen, you can write here and you can track it like this. You can write it, but this is not required, because if you have an iPad you must have a bigger screen. So yeah guys, and that's how you can use it, and it's quite useful. If I write anything like this, is the width of the pen is quite, this is the middle one is quite good. Right now you can see, right now I'm using the Notability app. Fine, so this is how you can use it guys. Hope you like it, and that's a small tutorial. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.